exaggeration is the principle that has been a part of much controversy. You see, the 12 principles of animation was developed by two animators from a specific time doing a specific kind of work with very limited resources compared to today. With the evolution of technology and the change in human attention span and the amount of detail that we can easily show in our animations today, it's been argued that exaggeration can only be applied to a certain kind of work. And maybe that's true. Perhaps we don't need to exaggerate everything that we animate. One example could be that you want to show a subtle action to strike a deep chord in the audience. However, something that the legendary Alan Becker in his 12 Principles of Animation video said that I want to share with you now that helped me understand this principle better. That exaggeration doesn't need to mean more distorted. It rather means more convincing. And I would go beyond that to add that it actually creates emphasis for your animations rather than a distortion of its form.
So once again, here you can see I've created a very simple character for the demonstration. Here we see the character is just standing in a neutral pose. But if I were to show this character really happy, what I would do is I would manipulate a few characteristics in the character, sell that message. So if I go to this next frame, I would add a bit more movement to the hands, widen the smile a little bit, the eyebrows go up. Is this really showing that the character is happy? Have I really sold the message effectively? However, if I were to exaggerate this character's pose and expression, then I can really show and sell the message that this character is really happy. Here, as you can see, I've gone beyond to make the smile really large, the eyebrows really high up, the eyes almost closing in joy, his arms are quite high up in the air, and he's on one leg. So that's really the essence and the power of what exaggeration can do to your animation to really sell the message that you want to give to the audience.
So use exaggeration with awareness and in a way that it fits exactly what you want to say.